看这边。
哇塞，这么光！
再高一点。
Hey everyone, Asher here, and today we got something truly magical to test. It's called Magic Gem Nano Spray Seal, and it promises to make your car shine so bright that it might blind your neighbor. But before we dive into this visually, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more epic product tests. Alright, let's get this show on the road. Here we have the Magic Gem Nano Spray Seal. They say it's as easy to apply as sprinkling fairy dust on your car. So let's see if I turn into a car detailing wizard today. Okay, this is the condition before we apply. Okay, this is the side that we already applied. Woo! Butter smooth. Let's see another side that we didn't apply. Okay, this is the side that we didn't apply. Cannot move. Not smooth. And that's a wrap for today enchanting video. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, and if you want to become a car detailing scholar yourself, check out the Magic Gem Nano Spray Seal. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next magical adventure. Bye bye.